In this video, we will see how we can freeze some rows and columns so that we can got the information of that rows and column all the way, even though we will do the scrolling or navigation to the left or right or up and down. Let me show you what I mean by that. Here, what is happening with me the moment when I will be scrolled down. So here you can see my name of the month or name of the details. Top row of the detail has been gone. If I scroll up, then and then it is visible, that serial number, month, sales, expense, and so on. Similarly, if I will be scroll to the left, so here you can see my serial number and name of the month has been also gone, right? So basically what my purpose is, I want to freeze the top row, right? So that if I will be do zoom in, zoom out or scroll up and down, my top row should be visible as it is. So how to do that operation? So it is very important how this freeze panel will be work. Okay, freeze panes will be work. So wherever you are click, all the rows above that selection or about that current cell will be freeze. So right now I am clicking on serial number 1 and I am clicking on the view tab and clicking on the freeze pane and clicking on the freeze panes. So now here you can see there is a one line that is available at here. So if you will be do the scroll down, as you can see your top rows will be remain as it is, right? So that you can go got those information wherever you are clicking. So here my number of data is only up to 12, but let's say you have hundreds of data or thousands of data. At that time this one will be become very most important. Similarly, if I am doing scrolling to the left, as you can see my serial number and name of the month is still not visible. So what you can do, now I am clicking on row number cell number C2. Cell number C2 means what? If I am doing the cell number C2 selection current and now going to the view tab, freeze pane, and let me click on unfreeze pane first, and again going to view tab, freeze pane, and let me do the freeze pane again, so that it will be keeps all the rows and column visible while the rest of the worksheet scrolls, okay, based on current selection. This is important. So now right now I am current in C2 cell and click on freeze pane. So as you can see, this top row is freeze and these two columns are also freeze. So if I will be scroll down, as you can see this top row will be remain as it is, and if I will be scroll left, as you can see name of the serial number and name of the month will be remain as it is. So this is how you can use freezing pans into the Excel, and this is very most important while you are working with a large amount of data sets.